What if you could age backwards? Aging is often seen as a one-way street, a gradual decline in strength, memory, skin elasticity, and overall vitality. But what if science told us otherwise? What if food wasn't just fuel, but a powerful signal that can activate your body's repair mechanisms, extend your health span, and even reverse certain hallmarks of aging? Over the past decade, researchers like Dr. David Sinclair from Harvard and Dr. Rhonda Patrick have revolutionized how we view nutrition, not just as a way to survive, but as a toolkit for cellular rejuvenation. From activating sirtuins to preserving telomere length, your diet can directly influence how your body ages. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating science of how specific nutrients, fasting patterns, and low-tox living can slow and even reverse aging. Backed by data from 2020 to 2024, you'll discover what truly works. Part 1: Telomeres. The aging clock. You can influence. Telomeres are protective caps at the ends of our chromosomes, and they shorten with each cell division. When they become too short, cells enter a state of senescence, aging without function. Shorter telomeres are linked to Alzheimer's, cardiovascular disease, and early mortality. But here's the twist: lifestyle and nutrition can influence telomere length. A 2022 study published in The Lancet Healthy Longevity revealed that individuals who followed a Mediterranean-style diet rich in fruits, vegetables, olive oil, and nuts had significantly longer telomeres than those on Western diets. Foods high in polyphenols like berries, green tea, and turmeric have been shown to reduce oxidative stress, a major factor in telomere shortening. Moreover, research by the Ornish Institute 2020 demonstrated that plant-based eating, stress management, and moderate exercise can increase telomerase, the enzyme that rebuilds telomeres, by up to 30% in just 3 months. Part 2: Sirtuins. Your cellular defense squad. Sirtuins are a family of proteins that regulate cellular repair, inflammation, and metabolism. Think of them as your body's longevity genes. The problem? Sirtuins become less active with age, but certain foods can turn them back on. Dr. David Sinclair's research at Harvard has shown that resveratrol, found in red grapes, and N-men, a compound in broccoli and avocado, can boost certain activity. In animal studies from 2020 to 2023, mice given N-men lived longer, had better cognitive function, and showed less age-related inflammation. Foods like extra virgin olive oil, green vegetables, and dark chocolate with high cocoa content also contain certain activating compounds. Even fasting as short as 16 hours can kickstart certain activity, promoting autophagy and DNA repair. Part 3: The truth about fasting and cellular rejuvenation. Phasing isn't just about weight loss, it's a metabolic reset. During periods without food, your body shifts from growth mode to repair mode. This activates processes like autophagy, where older damaged cells are broken down and recycled. A pivotal study published in Cell Metabolism in 2021 found that intermittent fasting, for example, 16-8, reduced insulin resistance, lowered inflammation markers, and increased production of BDNF, a brain hormone linked to cognitive longevity. For longer-term fasting 24-72 hours, research from the USC Longevity Institute 2020-2024 has shown that prolonged fasts can regenerate immune cells, improve stem cell function, and reduce pro-aging factors like IGF-1, insulin-like growth factor. Important: always consult a medical professional before attempting extended fasts. Part 4: Top anti-aging foods. Backed by science. Certain foods don't just nourish, they instruct your body to heal and rejuvenate. Blueberries, rich in anthocyanins, they improve brain function and reduce oxidative stress. A 2023 meta-analysis showed that just 1 cup a day improved memory in older adults. Flaxseeds, packed with lignans and ALA omega-3s, they help lower inflammation. A study in Nutrition and Aging 2021 found they reduce biological markers of aging by over 15%. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and kale contain sulforaphane, which activates antioxidant pathways and promotes detoxification. Multiple studies 2020-2023 link high intake with reduced cancer risk and longer telomeres. Seaweed, a staple in many blue zones. Seaweed offers iodine, antioxidants, and prebiotic fiber. It helps modulate gut bacteria linked to immunity and mental aging. Extra virgin olive oil, rich in polyphenols. It combats inflammation and supports vascular health. The 2023 Predimed study reaffirmed its association with the 30% lower risk of cognitive decline. Part 5 Time Restricted Eating. Aligning with your body clock. Time restricted feeding turf isn't just a trend, it's biological wisdom. Your body follows a circadian rhythm. Eating late at night disrupts insulin sensitivity and melatonin release. But when you align food intake with daylight hours, for example, eating from 8 to 6 p.m., you support metabolic homeostasis. A study from Salk Institute 2021 found that mice eating within a 10-hour window maintain muscle mass and better glucose control even on a high-fat diet. Human studies 2022-2024 show that turf improves blood pressure, cholesterol, sleep quality, and even inflammatory markers like CRP. The best part? You don't have to reduce calories, just eat them earlier. Part 6 Low-tox Lifestyle. Less poison, more longevity. It's not just what you eat, it's what you avoid. Aging is accelerated by chronic exposure to toxins, microplastics, endocrine disruptors like BPA, heavy metals, and even pollutants from non-stick cookware or air fresheners. Between 2020 to 2024, multiple WHO studies linked air pollution and chemical exposures to early onset of Alzheimer's and cardiovascular disease. Dr. Rhonda Patrick emphasizes that even trace amounts of toxins, when chronic, can damage mitochondria and trigger premature aging. To fight this, use glass containers instead of plastic. Filter your water. Avoid processed food additives, BET, sodium nitrite. Choose organic when possible, especially for the dirty dozen fruits and vegetables. So, aging is optional to a degree. We can't stop time, but we can slow its damage, repair what's broken, and optimize how we age. From cellular regeneration through fasting, to sirtuin activation via plant compounds. The tools are in your kitchen, not a pharmacy. This is not anti-aging. This is pro-longevity, conscious choice to live fully, energetically, and clearly far into your later years. Eat smart, eat clean, eat to thrive. Because how you age is up to you.